Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and this video is a starting point for a series of videos on Indian maps, and we will be learning through various geographical features through maps in this series. So India through Maps Islands 1 is the first video in this series. So the first island that we'll be talking about is the New Moor Island, that is in the border between India and Bangladesh. Now this island has been a point of contention between India and Bangladesh. Time and again, both the countries have argued that they have a claim over this particular island. Now this island was formed in 1970 because of a cyclonic activity called the Bhola cyclone. So this island is also called Purvasha and South Talapati Island. So these are the important points that you have to remember. So this video will not try to explain the concepts, but will only try to summarize all the required pointers that are required for prelims examination. So please note that this video serves the purpose of being that video which focuses on the points that are important for revision. So another point that we have to note here is New Moor Island has been time and again debated that whether this is a island that has been disappeared or it is still there. So this is also a point of contention because time and again it keeps on disappearing due to change in sea level. That is the most important points that you have to remember for this New Moor Island. Now the next set of islands, the second one is Sagar Island. This Sagar Island has been in news because of the recent cyclone Amphan which has struck the Bengal coast. So it is one of the largest islands of the Sundarban Delta, and it is at the mouth of river Hooghly, not Ganga. Please note this. So it is also called Ganga Sagar Island. The island is in Hooghly River. The important temple present at this site is the Kapila Muni temple, and it has rich mangrove forests. These are the important points that you have to remember for prelims exam. At the same time, this place is also a pilgrimage site because it is considered, if we take a holy dip during Makar Sankranti in Hooghly River at this island, it is considered to be auspicious. The third island that we are talking about is the Wheeler Island, or also called the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island, because it was recently renamed. So this is an important point that you have to remember. So this is in Orissa, and this is just 10 kilometers away from the coast, and it has an area of nearly 390 acres. This area is not important, but you have to know that this island is in Orissa, and the most important set of points are these 2 points. It is a missile test facility for most of the Indian missiles. This is an important point, the most important point. And it is also significant to note that the nearest port to this area is Dhamra port. So these are the points that you have to focus. Wheeler Island is in Orissa. It is the site where many Indian missiles are tested. The nearest port is Dhamra port, and it is renamed as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island recently. Let us have a look at this question. Wheeler Island has been renamed after Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam recently. This statement is right. This place has the satellite launching center of ISRO. This statement is false. We actually have the satellite launching center at Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh, not Wheeler Island. So answer is 1 only. Now consider the following statements about Sagar Island. Please pause your video and try to answer this question along with some comments in the comments box below. That's it for this video. Thank you.